Hey, Saidu here. Now, recently I uploaded a video showing how to install ng and set it up on a VMware. So, in today's video, I would like to show you how to install or upload Cisco routers and switches images, particularly the 3725 and the 7200. So, let's get into it. You need a FileZilla or any FTP client software like WinSCP. So if you don't have this, you can decide to install it and use it, or you can use another thing as it's a straightforward installation. So basically, it's not that difficult. You just need Windows software installation. So we need this, the IP address of the virtual machine, which is 192.168.80.130 in my case. Yours might be different, and you need to record the password you use here. Like in my case, I use root, and the password I use is if. So you can see, you just need to come over here. Here you need to sign the IP address or enter the IP address 192.168.80.130 in my case, and the username is root. Okay, password is in my case. I'm going to use port 22 to connect. Yes, to connect. So we are in. Now the right hand side of this window here, from here, is representing the if engine, and the left hand side here is representing my local host. So if you click on this back, come to option here, and unit lab, add-ons, dynamics. So this is the folder that we are going to save our upload the images to. Right now it's empty, so go to my local computer. Okay, it's already here because I've done this before. So you need to just select the images that you want to upload, like the 3725 and the 7200. So after selecting both, I'll drag it over here. So as you can see, it is uploading it. Should just pop up. Okay, the first one is here, the 3725, and the other one too is here. So we are good to go now. Let's head over to our Eve engine. Now choose to use another browser, which is 192.168. My case is 130, the IP address of the Eve engine. So password here I use admin and Eve. So you can choose to use anything else. So clicking this will take you in, and we're here. So let's say we want to create, let me close this one and do new topology, close lab. So let's open new. Let's say we want to do CMP, and the version is, you can decide to choose or give your project a description, so that let's say for example CCP switch, just anything of your choice. So author, you can decide to change my author is this, and for example, just say maybe configuring BGP or anything, sorry, not GP, but BGP or anything of your choice. So let me just save it, please. So we're here. So you click on this, click, and if you scroll down, you see this. All the others images or names are in gray, but you can see the images we uploaded are in what? Are in bold and blue. You can see them clearly. So let me select this. The 37 will be the tree switch. Change the icon here. Okay, here is it. So I saw it. Okay, here. The tree switch. So you can decide to change the NV RAM, the RAM, the slot 1. You can decide to do a lot of things, but I'm just going to give it this. So you can decide to select a startup configuration. Right now is on the none, which I will leave it, and save this. So right now I have my 3725 here. So let me check. Select the router here. Firstly, slot 1. Check this, and okay for now. So you can see we have the 3725 and we have the 7200. Oh, let me add another switch. Okay, I have two switches. Let's say here. Connect to fast Ethernet port. Select here. Connect to fast Ethernet port here. So, but these devices are currently not on, so we need to start one. So you can see this one, 3725 is starting. I don't think it has started. Check this one. Try to start this. Okay, it's running. So you can see it's like the switch is running, or yeah, it's booting up. So this is the exact same thing or when you start a new switch. It's coming up. Okay, so now this is our 37. So let's do small config. So go to enable, let's say config, and change the host name to be, let's say, switch 1. So you can even decide to say show version, show version to see the version you are running. Right now this one is running version 12.4, so it's pretty old, but to do the work. So this is the switch. So let's check that of the router. This one. It's not yet started. Okay. Yeah, see it. So you can see the router is putting up to. Continue. Wait for it. So one of the disadvantages of running iOS on your local machine is like it consumes a lot of system resources like the CPU, the RAM, and other. But that is why most people use the IOU. And frankly speaking, I also like IOU more than iOS, particularly because of this reason of slowing down computer or slowing down configurations or something like that. So, but the IOU are like they consume less system resources than the iOS. So here is the router. So you can check the version 2. So this one is running like version 15.2, while the switch is running version 12. But in either case, they should be fine. Like you can do your show, it should be down. No, I'm assigned. So this is the initial configuration or initial setup of router. But if we after this, I plan to be doing like practical lab on this channel. So subscribe to this channel if you have not already. You'll be part of the community. Okay, so I think that basically wrap it up. So in next video, I'll show you how to install or upload IOU or IOL images onto your event, and hopefully by then we should be able to start doing some little labs in this. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. This is a pretty new channel. I'm also new to YouTube, so give me a break. Yeah, I'll say that. So but I'll do everything I can to see that I'm uploading videos regularly and meaningful videos, so that we all benefit from it. So thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.